In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install PCSX2 on Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. PCSX2 is a popular open-source PlayStation 2 emulation software that is used to play PlayStation 2 games on your computer. To get started, open your browser and search for PCSX2. Open the first link, making sure that it is the official website. Click on the Latest Stable button and under the Windows section, select the installer to download it. Once the installer is downloaded, launch the file. Click Yes on the security prompt to begin the installation. Simply click Next and follow the setup wizard. When the installation is done, click Finish to close the wizard and launch the application.